circle.
Oh, that was a 180.
Hey, Alex.
Do a circle.
Let's do a circle. Ready? Do another circle.
All right. Good job, Alec.
Oh, he's funny.
Do it. One more circle.
You want to do another circle?
Do another circle. There you go. Dizzy.
That
Yeah,
was
dizzy.
a backwards circle too. I like how he gets his body ready.
All right, let's get in your car, Alec. This is Alec's car. Alec, get in your car. Oh crap! Hold on.
I'll get him. Oh, he's going for the bird.
Don't let Leah go over there. Good luck, Alec. It's worth a try. Teach you how to catch a chicken later in life. Alec, come on, buddy. We gotta get you a bath. I bet he don't live down in the city. Come on, Alec. Let's go.
Come on, Mia. Go get a drink. You gotta have some water.
Let's go, buddy. Hey, Alec, say bye-bye.
Alex.
Say bye-bye, Forrest. We'll see you later. All right.